Alright, quick video. We're going to show you how to change an air cabin filter on a Kia Sportage 2008. Yeah, so let's dive right into it. Cabin filter changing. Alright, so you're going to open it up. Alright. And there should be these two tabs. And it's going to release this cable. So we're going to push it through this hole, you know, and it's going to release that cable. Yeah, don't forget to remove all of this stuff.
Going home.
But,
bye. Bye.
Yeah, slipping through the hole. What you do is pull these out. They're gonna pluck out, you know. I mean, if you had a screwdriver help you, but me, you know, I'm just using my bare hands. So I'm pulling it forward and trying to get the rubber thing to come inside. Should look like that. Okay. And then, of course, other side as well. Got both sides of the hooks, that clips that keep it on, and the cable. So after you take out the clips from both sides as well as the cable, you see this? This is going to be your cabin air filter for Kia Sportage 2008. You're going to pinch both sides of this. There's going to be a pinch thing. So you just pinch it, and then it'll pull open. Ooh. Look at that. Look how disgusting and dirty that cabin air filter is. We're gonna replace this. Alright, so this is the dirty cabin air filter. This is our new one. It's just the whatever generic brand. I don't know this brand. Yeah. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. Look at that. Look how clean that is. Straight out of the box. You know? We'll do a side-by-side comparison. Cool thing about this, it comes with instructions of how to do it. Take out the old filter. Compare the old to the new. As when you get every part, you compare the size and how it looks. Yeah. Fucked up one. You don't need that shit. You throw that out. Alright, so that's the casing. Put the put the filter into the casing like this, and ta-da, you're done. All you gotta do is pop the bad boy back in. Alright, so after you place the filter in, it's the same way as you did, but you do everything in reverse. You're just gonna pop the bad boy in, you know, just like you're putting a pizza into the oven, just like this. It should click, and that's how you know how to change cabin air filter for a Kia 2008 Sportage, Sporty 2008. And as I said, you do everything reverse. You just put those pins back, those clip things back. You know, just push it through. I would try to do it when it's halfway in, so that way it's easier for you. Like this. Clicks once, see? And got the other one right here. Push it through. Don't forget that wire, that cable thing, that helps out. Right there, put it right there. On there. Push it through. And lock it. And it locks. Now for the cable, you just go halfway through, halfway in. And you just slip it into that square hole. Slip it into the square hole, push it through. Make sure it locks. And you're good. Don't forget to put everything back. Changing out your cabin air filter for a 2008 Kia Sportage. It's that easy. You don't need to go to a mechanic for it. Filters are like what? $5. Peace. Alright, tips of why you should change your cabin air filter. Tip 1 is to keep you safe from all that pollution and smog and dirt shit from the air that comes from driving on the road, you know, from other people's cars, and just pretty much to clean out the pollution from coming into your car through your, you know, air system. Number 2, debris, sticks and tiny ass leaves, especially from like if you park near grassy areas like on Guam. They'll help pollute your car and gives your car more of a strain when you're actually using aircon, you know. Number 3 is your aircon. Your HVAC system will be a little bit better, and the performance-wise, it'll produce better aircon, make it more cold. This is good because on Guam it's hella hot, and if it's on summer times for wherever the fuck you're from, it'll help you out because it's hot. You know, aircon doesn't have to work as hard. Number 5, it helps your performance for your car a little better through the air. You know, your air intake. So yeah, those are maybe the last tips I got for you for how to change out an air cabin filter and why to change out your cabin air filter. Peace out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Peace. I hope it helped.